Good morning, friends. Last video we studied about 65 more important topics for coming UPSC mains. So go to my previous videos, listening it careful and be attentive while listening it once again for more important topics. So start by this video. Let's start. First topic, that is girl child relative initiative. Improving sex ratio, Beti Padhao Beti Bachao scheme, preconception and prenatal diagnostic technique PCP NDT Act are meant to prevent sex selective abortion and improve sex ratio in the country. Second, female education. Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana creates a fund for the future education of girl child and Udan for the higher education of girl child. Child marriage. Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006 has been enacted to prevent marriage of girls below 18 years of age. Health and nutrition. Supplying iron and folic acid tablets, Kisori Shakti Yojana, Poshan Abhiyan, midday meal scheme have been undertaken to provide sufficient nutrition to the girl child. Hygiene. Ujjwala sanitary napkin at the minimal cost under Suvidha scheme will support menstrual hygiene among girls. Child labor. Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Amendment Act 2016 has been enacted to make sure girls are not indulged in the child labor and instead get education. Sexual abuse. Protection of Children from Sexual Offence POCSO Act 2012 provide strict punitive action in the case of sexual abuse against the child. Human trafficking. Ujjwala scheme to prevent, rescue and rehabilitate trafficked girl. Second topic, that is no first use policy. Once again, the no first use policy in highlight need for the hour, raising the stakes at the time of the high tension with the nuclear armed neighbor Pakistan. Second, recent changes. India revoked the special constitutional status of the part of the Kashmir it controls, prompting a furious reaction from Pakistan, which, like India, claims the entire territory. Flexible policy. India's no first use commitment is neither absolute nor permanent, and implying that in a conflict nothing would compel India to abide by it. Part of the defense. It is an element of the unpredictability in the country's military strategy. And last, that is matching international standard. We are already in a situation where arms control is crumbling. The US nuclear posture review is talking about limited nuclear war once again. Next topic, that is ICJ. ICJ is made up 15 jurists from the different countries. No two judges at any given time may be from the same country. The court's composition is a static but generally includes jurists from a variety of cultures. Despite this diversity in structure, the ICJ has been criticized for favoring established power. Under the Article 3 and under Article 9 of the International Court of Justice Statute, the judges on the ICJ should represent the main form of the civilization and the principal legal system of the world. The function of the ICJ is to resolve dispute between the sovereign state. Dispute may be placed before the court by parties upon condition prescribed by the UN Security Council. No state, however, may be subject to the jurisdiction of the court without the state consent. Consent may be given by the express agreement at the time the dispute it is presented to the court. by prior agreement to accept the jurisdiction of the court in the particular categories of the cases, or by treaty provisions with respect to disputes arising from matters covered by the treaty. Next topic, India US trade war. Wow. India retaliatory tariff on 29 products including apples, almonds, etc. after US revoked preferential privilege. US accuses India of having several non-tariff barriers. India does not agree with the US. The evergreening of patents. US is unhappy with India's recent price control on medical products such as stents. There are differences in the creation or certification of the meat and dairy product. India can export meat to Japan and European Union, but not to the US, as its meat's inspection system is different. Standard and conformity assessment testing, digital trade, healthcare and agriculture trade. India's e-commerce restrictions are another source of irritation. Next topic, that is G20. Its mandate is to promote discussion and study and review the policy issues among the industrialized countries and emerging markets with a view to promoting international financial stability. The group was formed with an aim of studying, reviewing, and promoting high-level discussion of policy issues pertaining to the promotion of international financial stability. The forum, G20 forum, aims to preempt balance of payment problems and turmoil on the financial market by improved coordination of monetary, fiscal, and financial policy. The forum seeks to address the issues that go beyond the responsibility of any one of the organizations. US-China trade war. The conflict is seen as a significant threat to the global economic growth. The US-China trade war has been a great source of uncertainty for the financial markets over the past year. Uncertainty has weighed on investor confidences around the world and has contributed to losses. The IMF warned a full-blown trade war would begin the global economic. FCRA. The Foreign Contribution Regulation Act, or FCRA, is a law enacted by the Parliament to regulate foreign contribution, especially monetary donation, provided by the certain individual or association to NGO and other within India. The Act, in its consolidating form, was originally passed in 1976 and majorly modified in 2010. The government has used the Act over the years to freeze bank accounts of certain NGO who it's found were affecting India's international or national interest for wrong purpose. The Home Minister cancelled the registration of several US-based NGO after it was found that they were diverting the money received into funding protests at Tamil Nadu's Kundankulam against a nuclear power plant, an Indo-Russian joint venture. India-ASEAN, that is next topic. India-ASEAN bilateral trade increased from US $12 billion in 2002 to $72 billion in 2012. 12 billion from 12 billion to 72 billion, with a cumulative annual growth rate of around 22% over the preceding 10 years. The success of the Act is policy will be determined by its contribution to the security and economic development of the Northeast India. India and ASEAN are active participants in the East Asia Summit, ASEAN Regional Forum, ASEAN Defense Ministry Meeting Plus, and the expanded ASEAN Maritime Forum. India is rapidly evolving geopolitical scenario marked by China's assertive military, political, economic rise. The India-ASEAN bilateral relationship has imparted greater dynamism to India's ties with ASEAN. Next topic, that is RATES, regional anti-terrorism structure. RATES was established in the year 2004 at the Tashkent summit. SCO RATES is a permanent body established to bring about coordination and interaction between the member states in ensuring security in the region. The regional anti-terrorism structure works on information sharing and joint counter-terrorism measure between the member states. Post the Astana Summit Declaration of 2005, Shanghai Cooperation Organization has emerged as a regional security organization. Next topic, that is Korean Peninsula and US. Participation of North Korea in the Winter Olympics. Singapore Summit, conference between US and the North Korea in Singapore, lead to the Inter-Korea Declaration, though the declaration was not VICD, that means verifiable, comprehensive, irreversible and denuclearization. Namjoon Summit between North Korea and South Korea. Namjoon Declaration seeks to remove both the social and economic sanction on North Korea upon its complete denuclearization. Agreement towards denuclearization. Kim Jong has for the first time agreed to denuclearization and has started restoring the nuclear armaments. Next topic, that from General Study paper 3rd, middle income trap. India is a low middle income country with a GNI per capita around $2,000. क्या कारण है? What are the causes behind that? Backlash against globalization, thwarted structure transformation, human capital regression, climate change induced agriculture stress, fall in the private consumption. Major transitioning from diversification to specialization in production, shifting to productivity lead growth, opportunities for professional talent, decentralized economic management, and sustaining macroeconomic stability. Next topic, that is bank consolidation. Narasimhan Committee of 1991, PJ Nayak Committee in 2014 suggest for merger of banks. Reserve Bank of India expect the gross NPA ratio for the state-owned banks to rise to 16.3 by March 2019 from 15.6 in March 2018. Merger will lead to the bigger capital base and higher liquidity, which will help in meeting the norms under the Basel III. RBI has approved the framework for proposal to amalgamate public sector banks through an alternative mechanism. It is a system refers the system of the different license or for the different sub components of the banking sector, such as limited banking license, commercial banking license. Two types we are talking about: differential or differentiating banking system. Differentiating banking system means two system of different license for the different subcomponent of the banking sector, such as limited banking licenses, commercial banking licenses. Two types of banks: one is payment banks and second is small finance bank. Differential banks will give rise to a variety or varied type of investor with a different risk taking abilities and thus better finance the the projects. Next topic, that is Model APMC Act. Function of the authority include levying and collecting facilitation fees, disposing appeals related to dispute under the draft Model Act, and publishing contract farming. Disputes between a producer and a buyer, they can reach a mutually acceptable solution through negotiation or conciliation. Refer the dispute to dispute settlement officer designated by the state government. Appeal to the contract farming promotion and facilitation authority to be established in each state in case they are not satisfied by the decision of the dispute settlement officer. Recommendation: allowing direct sale of the produce by farmers, removing fruits and vegetables out of the ambit of APMCs, setting up the farmer consumer markets, electronic trading, joining electronic national agriculture market for the sale of the produce. Next topic, that is behavioral economics. The Economic Survey 2019 has drawn a Nobel laureate Richard Thaler behavioral economics theory. Example: Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Ujjwala scheme, which sought to move from incandescent to LED bulbs to promote energy efficiency. It provides the necessary tools and principles to not only understand how norms affect behavior, but also to utilize these norms to effect behavioral changes. The survey said nudge policy gently steer people towards desirable behavior while preserving their liberty to choose, and the government was planning to go ahead with the program to the user social change. Supervisory mechanism in India. Basel Committee on Banking Supervision (BCBS) published a report identifying and comparing a range of regulatory and supervisory cyber resilience practices observed in the banks across the jurisdiction. The Chakravarti Committee described the supervisory system overhauled on to a new risk-based supervision. They dealt with the need to connect SWIFT transaction to core banking database, which was another layer at which the scam could have been spotted. But the fundamental problem was the lack of enforcement of the SWIFT password protection. AIM. Next topic, that is One Nation One Ration Card. What are the aim behind it? End-to-end computerization of targeted public distribution system, that means TPDS operation. Second, 4 states are implementing: Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra. Already 77% of the ration shop across the country have point of sale machines, and more than 85% of people covered under the National Food Security Act have their cards linked to Aadhaar. Economic slowdown. Rating agency CRISIL forecast to 6.9% for 2019-20, that is just out of the thought because the coronavirus pandemic. Reason: first, demonetization dealt a severe blow to the consumption, leading to a vicious cycle of job loss and lower income. IL&FS crisis triggered to the non-banking financial companies, tight monetary and fiscal policy, less income for farmers. Slow private consumption is one of the biggest reason of slowdown. 7 out of 60 key segments such as auto production, Coal India Limited output, thermal electricity generation, non-oil export, port cargo traffic, rail freight, passenger carried by domestic airlines, as well as ATF as and diesel consumption contracted in the last 1 year. Precision agriculture. Precision agriculture is a concept which needs implementation through the ICT, wireless sensor network, geospatial methods, and automated positioning system. The Indian Council of Agriculture Research ICAR and the Indian Agriculture Research Institute IARI has formulated a project entitled Sense Agri, that means sense or best smart agriculture, Kisan crop insurance using space technology, geoinformatics. The program envisages use of high resolution remote sensing data from Indian and international satellites for improving crop yield. So in this video we will discuss about 20 most important topics for your mains and prelims. So be careful while listening this video. 2 or 3 times you should be watching this video, and then you can revise to use it, to quote it in your various answer. Thanks for watching this video. Share my videos to your friends. Okay.